As an employer or consultant, are you addressing all three opportunities an effective employee wellness strategy can provide? Or are you limiting your ROI potential to just one or perhaps two of those three? I'm Dr. Bradford Cooper, CEO of US Corporate Wellness, one of only 3 national providers accredited by URAC as a comprehensive wellness provider. In our work with organizations across the country since 2007, we've discovered most organizations focus on one, possibly two of these opportunities, but rarely all three. In this video, I'll briefly touch on the first two and then introduce the one you may be missing but can easily integrate into your overall strategy going forward. So number one is health. If you have a wellness program, there's a good chance this was your primary reason for implementing it. You looked at your claims data and said, we've got to do something. As a result, you built your initial employee wellness program with a goal of improving employee health and thus reducing your claims. Enough said on this one, as you almost certainly already have it in place. Number two then is wellness. This one goes beyond medical claims to employee well-being. There's at least a 50-50 chance you've tuned into this one as well, especially in light of the greater focus on mental health and overall employee quality of life in recent years. Integrating the wellness element not only enhances the personalization and autonomy for participants, it also takes us beyond ROI to include VOI, or value on investment. That takes us to number 3, and this is the one that's usually left out of the whole employee or organizational wellness program equation, and that's performance. A significant portion of my PhD work focused on the optimization of performance. Interestingly, when we cross-referenced our published research finding with what could be integrated into an effective employee wellness program, we discovered notable overlap. It was an eye-opener to realize we had historically been focusing exclusively on health and wellness and missing out on the one that might be most important of all, performance. Tuning into this third component takes us beyond simply helping employee team members to get by, as in reducing sick time, medical claims, and related elements. Instead, it turns our attention toward the opportunity to thrive, to become a better version of ourselves in both our personal and our professional pursuits. ROI on medical claims and sick time is great, but as most of you watching this video know very well, those numbers can be dwarfed by the impact of upticks in employee performance. Our data demonstrated the opportunity is readily available with just a few simple steps. This brief video is clearly not the place to go into the details, but we're happy to provide those to you. We also have plenty of additional resources available here on the coaching channel that might provide a good starting point. In fact, this one here, that might be a great next step for you. Thank you so much for your interest in moving your employee wellness strategy from a low engagement, check the box type of program to one that truly makes a meaningful difference in the lives of your team members and allows you to positively impact the bottom line for your organization in the process.